Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and record desktop with your OBS Studio. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your OBS Studio as an administrator. And once you've done that, you're going to be on this screen right over here. I've made a video talking about recording and streaming settings. So if you haven't already watched that and set it up yet, you can simply go ahead and watch that video and come back to this one. Now that we have that figured out, in order for you to go ahead and record your desktop into your scene, what you want to do is go ahead and create a source by clicking on plus right over here. And you can choose either two ways. So you could either choose display capture or window capture. I prefer display capture as it just completely captures the whole display. So for example, if I go ahead and click on the display that I want to capture, click on OK, and simply go ahead and add the settings. So there you go. As you can see, it has brought out the display in front right over here, and all I need to do is just click on start recording or start streaming, preferred, whatever I prefer, and it's gonna go ahead and start recording. I can simply go ahead and make it as big and small as I want to, as you can see. And that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.